Understanding Employee Appraisal, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important aspect of the professional world, employee appraisal. Whether you're working in an English-speaking environment or planning to, understanding this concept is crucial. So, let's break it down together in an easy-to-understand manner. Employee appraisal, also known as performance evaluation, is a formal assessment process used by companies to review and evaluate an employee's job performance. This involves examining the quality of work, achievements, and overall contribution to the company over a specific period. The key here is to recognize the strengths and identify areas for improvement, making it a vital tool for career growth. 1. Feedback and development. It provides employees with valuable feedback on their performance, helping them understand what they are doing well and where they can improve. 2. Career advancement. Performance appraisals can influence promotions, salary adjustments, and professional development opportunities. 3. Communication. It opens a direct line of communication between employees and management, fostering a culture of transparency and mutual respect. The process typically involves several steps. Preparation. Both the employee and the manager prepare by reviewing past performance, setting objectives, and gathering feedback. Meeting. A formal meeting is held to discuss the appraisal, where feedback is shared, and future goals are set. Follow-up. Actions based on the appraisal are implemented, such as training programs for skill development or setting new performance targets. 1. Reflect on your achievements. Document your accomplishments and challenges faced. 2. Set goals. Think about your career aspirations and what skills you want to develop. 3. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from your peers to gain a broader perspective on your performance. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of employee appraisal and why it's a significant part of your professional journey. Remember, appraisals are not just about evaluating past performance but also about paving the way for future growth and opportunities. So, embrace them with an open mind and a positive attitude. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.